Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials: your Aadhaar number and a bank account with a matching mobile number. Once ready, choose the path: online via your bank's portal or ensзуing app, or visit a branch for an in-person update. Start online for speed. Log into net banking or the provider's Aadhaar linking page, authenticate using your login and registered OTP, and select the account to link. This first step reduces errors, because matching mobile authentication proves ownership quickly and securely. You'll now input the 12-digit Aadhaar into the bank's linking form and double-check every digit, because a single error stalls the process. After submission, expect an OTP sent to your bank-registered mobile. Enter it promptly to authenticate. This verifies both identity and consent. Once the bank accepts, you receive a transaction or request ID. Save that number. Make sure to allow a few hours to a few days for back-end verification, as banks reconcile records with the Aadhaar database. You finish by confirming linkage. Check SMS alerts, your bank's message center, or the account profile to ensure Aadhaar is listed. If the request fails, it's usually due to mismatched spelling, date of birth, or different formats. Compare Aadhaar and bank records and correct the discrepancy. If problems persist, visit your bank branch with Aadhaar enrollment proof and original ID. Ask for a manual update or correction. Remember, patience and documentation solve most rejections, and that one clear ID match completes the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.